Dylan!
No.
What's going on today? You're gonna go fishing? We're gonna go fishing, Davin? Go on the boat? Grandpa's boat?
Back with the pace, the jam is live in effect, and I don't waste time on the mic with a dope rhyme.
Put up the live well.
Reel him in before he goes under the rock.
Hurry!
Is that the worm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, cat.
Yeah. Little baby catfish.
Okay.
Good job, Bill! Look at the
Are we gonna keep him in the live well?
Yes.
Okay.
Feel it? Watch out, that's plenty back there. You can pet them, just watch out for the ends. So like on a catfish,
Like
these.
those and that one.
That one.